Welcome back. Are you guys ready for a DIY? If you have something to drink, let's get this party started. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Grandma GAINZ. You can call me Tracy. This is Bohippianlife. I am a reselling grandma on multiple platforms. This video is a DIY I saw on social media, and I want to give it a try. So let's zoom out. And we're going to need something with a cloche on it. So I have this cheese thing my son Chris's buddy Jared gave me. We're going to need some wire. We're going to need a rock. And we're going to need some dandelions that look like this. I hope this works. All right. Oh, ant. I brought an ant in. Darn it. Oh, and something to cut the wire with as well. All right. So I can't find any wire cutters. I'm just going to straighten this out a little. I hope this works. And we're going to feed the wire up through. Let's break that end off. There. It's a hollow tube. It had a root. Oh my goodness, please don't mess it up. All the way to the flower head. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this is working. A little bit more. Oh no, oh, I was so close to the end. Oh goodness gracious. Slide out a little. Oh, where's the hole? All right, pull it out. And now try to get it back. I have extras in case I goof up really bad. Holding on to it here because I broke it. Super gentle. It gets smaller. Oh, we made it. Okay, hold on to it. It's a little crunched up, so I'm gonna hold it. Okay, better angle. Now I have to find something to cut it because we're gonna wrap it around this rock. I'm just gonna gently, because I can't find anything to cut it with right now, grab it and bend it back and forth till it snaps. Usually doesn't take long. Oh. There we go. Woohoo! All right. Now we're supposed to wrap it. Now, bringing this closer, I want to make sure. There. I'm going to start wrapping it like right here. Hopefully this works, you guys. And then you're just supposed to set it right in there. Oopsies. There. better angle. Oh, man. I didn't make it small enough. Hold on. So what I mean is it's hitting the top. So pull that off and wrap it one more time. And set it in there. And I wonder if it should be smaller. I think it should be a little bit smaller. Oh my goodness. Maybe I should have found a smaller dandelion. All right, there we go. And it should still poof up and give our poof ball. And we have our own little wish. We'll see how long it lasts. You guys, let me know what you think and if you try it. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Most important, I hope you guys have the best day ever. Don't forget my membership levels offer 4. So a little bit better of a view here. I think it's going to be adorable. I hope it opens up. I'll have my own little Wish in a Cloche